Dumating na yung mga Nomi natin. So, mag-unbox tayo ng Nomi. And mako-compare na rin natin siya dito sa Lila's Lucky Cat. Hello! Welcome to another episode of
Chin-chan-chan.
So, anong gusto mong buksan muna, Kitty? Actually, magkakaibang shop itong pinagbilhan ko. And ito, grabe. Pagdating sa amin, ayan siya, warat-warat na siya. Ito yung mga pwede nyo makuha sa Nomi. Anong gusto mong makuha?
The cute one, the kitty cat, the cute.
Actually, dalawa yung pinili ni Kitty. Ang una niya napili yung sheep, si Nene, at saka yung kitty cat daw na itim. Si Nene and si Mimi.
Let's do it.
Okay. You first. Sige.
No, don't open it. Don't open
Okay,
it.
okay.
It's not too hard naman
Yeah. Tapos itong version 2, blind box yung binili ko, pero open na siya sa baba. I don't know ha, baka sinilip nila. Baka kasi secret baka chinecheck nila pag secret. Bad. But anyways, any lang ako dito sa version na to. Since may lila na tayo na version 1, gusto ko lang din maka-experience ang version 2. So ayan, bukas na. Ay, wait lang. Before you open it, there's a card here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. So, kayo yung unang makakakita. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. You can open it na. 1. Say it to them. What is it?
What is it? Is it the milk?
I saw it na! Yay! Yay! Ano nakuha natin? Ito yung nakuha namin! Super cute! Nakuha natin, anak, yung sheep si Nene. Ayan, so, you look, ano, it's like what?
It's like it's very sad.
Oh, is it? Does it look like it's sad?
No naman.
No naman. Alam niyo kung ano maganda dito? Napapalitan yung mata niya. Whoa! You see? One more. Whoa!
I wanna try it.
Wow. Oh.
Cute.
So cute, right? Ito yung isang option ng mata niya. And then, naaangat siya. Ayan. So, there's another option. And for me, ito yung pinaka-cute, yung plain black lang. Ayan, how cute, right? Yay! For comparison, ito yung size difference ng Lila's Lucky Cat and Nomi. Okay, so 17 cm daw kasi itong doll na to. And this one is 20 cm. So, ganyan. Medyo magkalaki lang sila. But mas malaki ng konti si Nomi. Okay? Same ito sa size ng Labubu. So, yung clothes nito and Labubu is the same. Okay? Okay. Oh, next one. Wait. Close your eyes. OMG! Close your eyes, ha? Close your eyes. Nakita ko na Sige, mamaya na lang, suspense lang. Open, love. Diba na-mention ko sa inyo na magkaibang shop yung pinagbilan ko? You know why? It's the same! Magkaibang shop kasi. OMG! It's the same! Nagkaroon tayo ng dupe. So, I guess, ibebenta ko na lang tong isa kasi same na same siya. As in, what can you say na we have, same?
I like it.
You like it still?
I like it super.
Super like it pa rin. Pero we're just gonna keep one, ha? Kasi same lang sila
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna sell this one.
No.
Okay?
Yes.
Ang cute niya. So, moral lesson of the story, kung bibili ka, isang shop na lang siguro para ma-lessen yung yung chance ng pag-duplicate.
What did we have?
Sa Lila version 2, ito yung mga pwedeng makuha. And pig daw yung gusto ni Kitty na makuha. Pig daw. Okay? Are you ready?
At nighttime, there's a pig.
Yeah. Oh, while Kitty is opening, alam niya na, close your eyes. Yan. So, ito yung makukuha namin. Kayong una nakakita. Okay? Ready? Set. Oh, still cute naman. What's this ba?
Koala.
Koala? Is it? Is it
Yes.
koala? Chinese yung nakasulat It's either a mouse or koala. Are you happy ba with the...
Yes.
Yeah, that's what's important. Happy si Kitty. Pero gusto daw niya talaga initially is yung pig. So, I guess, ibebenta namin tong isa para siguro makakuha pa kami ng isang blind box. Dupe! Dumable siya! Actually, hindi doon nagtatapos yung surprise namin kasi sabay-sabay dumating yung mga in-order ko. Naka-order din kami ng mga clothes. Yan, no? Yeah, so, dumating din yung mga clothes. I-open na rin natin. Try nating bihisan sila. Yeah.
It's for the banana, the lila lucky cat.
Yeah. Anak, this one I will put away na ha. Kasi it's the same. Super same naman siya, oy. Super, super duper same.
Mommy, you have this, mommy, and I'll have that.
No, we will sell na lang the one. Kasi sayang eh. It's duplicate. We'll just get a new one. Para different, gets?
Okay.
Okay.
Like the pig, this one.
Yeah, you want...
Get the new pig, the cat one na lang.
Okay,
Let's
cat
have
or pig daw. Gusto niya kumuha ng
Cat
isa
or
pa.
pig.
Sana daw cat or pig naman. Okay.
That is too big. I'm sorry, mommy. I'm sorry.
It's okay lang, sweetheart. That dress is for this one, baby. Parang mas bagay ito. Look, oh, ang cute nitong dress na to. Try natin ilagay dito sa Nomi natin.
Mommy. This is for the big mommy.
Yeah.
And then this is for the small mommy.
That's for the Lila.
Lila.
I think this one kasha to kay Lila. How cute, sweetie!
I love it.
Yeah, you love it so much. It's so cute, huh? Ang cute niya, grabe. Ang cute ng Nomi. Palitan natin yung mata niya. Hindi, actually, pwede rin yung blue yung mata kasi may touch ng blue yung ano niya. Ay, parang marami akong bibiling Nomi. Parang gusto ko pa. Parang gusto ko pa ng Nomi. Kaso mukhang madodoblehan tayo ng ano ah.
It's too small for her.
For this one, you want me to help you out? Akin na. Help kita. Alam mo, did you know why I bought this one for you? Because you have the same top as this one.
And also like Lila the Lucky's cat.
Yeah.
Cute rabbit.
Ito nga pala yung shoes niya. Super cute. Ay, it's big. Malaki yung shoes niya. But at least nakakatayo and nasusuot din naman siya somehow. Pero let's just show it to them. Maluwag siya, hindi siya super snug fit. Pero, ayan siya! Super cute! Oh, which one is cuter for you? This one or this one?
This one.
Really? For me, it's this one. So, kung magko-collect kami, ito daw yung kay Kitty. And for me, number 1 ko na si Nomi so far. Look, anak ko, there's a glass. There's glasses.
Can I
Dito kay Lila. The glasses is the same as Mommy Chin.
No,
Ay, you want sa kanya?
because it's mommy chin.
Aw, thank you, sweetheart.
I put you because
Wait
you're
ka,
mommy
sige.
chin.
Yeah, because kasi kay Mommy Chin ito, so the glasses also belong to her. Hindi siya ma-shoot
You have mommy chin, and then I'll have kitty. I have no glasses
Okay, pero it doesn't fit, sweetheart. I think it's for this one kasi
small
sa kanya na lang muna, okay? Pero I appreciate the thought, sweetheart, na it's for me kasi this one is for me. It looks like
kitty wearing glasses.
like
Mommy kitty.
yeah, it's so pretty, right? Ganito nga paling eyes niya, oh. Yan, naiikot siya. Personally, ang favorite ko is ito. Super cute! Pero si Kitty laging binabalik dito kasi mas cute daw to kasi nga may animal drawing. Yan. Galing, no? Amazing. I love it. Okay, so ilalagay ko na lang din pala yung mga clothes nila sa yellow basket. Aba! Ito, kamukha ng glasses ko. Wala lang. Share ko lang. Space pa tayo dyan sa gilid dito. So, pwede pa bumili ng konti. Tatlo siguro, maximum. Yun lamang, about.